is the colored one that I have created, so you can change the color over here directly, and you will see these two are totally different. And when I am clicking on this, you can see 3 color bars here. Color chip, it is black, that is available in this design. All these 3 colors are available here, and once I am clicking here, you can see 5 colors. So there is only 5 color limitation in Canva. You can't exceed this color, otherwise these images will turn into PNG or JPG. You won't be able to change colors then. So I have created few colors options. So if you want to change for the collar, pocket or placket, even inside this area, so it will be easy for you to change the color here. Now I'll show you how to change the color in this category. So first I am clicking here. So I have to change the color for body. So I will click on white. Once I have clicked on white, you will see the white here. You can change color from here by scrolling over this. So you are seeing that all colors are changing here. Even though you can change color from this picking method, if you have anything in your mind, you can click here and then you can select color from the image itself. Okay, now I'm going back to here, this hex color. You can change color by the hex number. Once you will put the hex number, for example, I put U or something else, it will change color to that. So it's changing the hex number also. Other than that, you have solid color option in there. So you can click on any color and then the body color will change. Now the turn is the collar. So once I'm clicking on color, you know the color of collar. So you clicked here and now you change the same method. You can double click here and you will see this pop up with a color bar, and you can change the saturation or hue here. Same method. Like that, I am going to this design, the front one, and now you see the 5 colors. Now you can change colors separately, one by one, any color you want. This is very easy. If you will do it once or twice, you will understand, and it will be very easy for further future also. See, like that. For bodies, if you want to change the same color like this, so what you can do is go to this one and copy this hex number, come back to this point and go to this white again, copy that. You got the same number here. Copy and paste exact hex number will help you to get the exact color. So
I hope you learned and enjoyed the process. See you in next video with new solution for your designing problems. Stay connected and tuned. Namaste.